name is Rutger and I'm going to show you how to do from 1 day till 10 years Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles. So start from that 1 day. We start from the 10th of the upper 6th string with the pointing finger, index finger here. So that's the 10th, and you have a little information here because the most guitars have like 2 dots here that will say that's the 12th fret. So we start in the 10th here with the index pointing finger, push really hard there, and the thumb is going 1 down with that 6th string there. So same as I push here. So 10th, then the 5th, then the 8th one, and then the 3. So you can tune up your amplifier and get that Watermelon Sugar going by doing only this in that 1 day, maybe perhaps in 5 minutes. Then if you do exactly the same notes here, so the 10th, and you practice a little bit that 1 week, within maybe a 1 week, you can do it like this, like 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Like 5 times 10th, so 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you find that very easy, like within 1 week, like think, yes, that's very good. Then you can do the 4 chords like D minor 7, A minor 7, open C chord and open G. And perhaps 3 months, I showed you 3 months, but maybe it's a little earlier or maybe a little bit more time, so 4 or 5 months you have this under control. I will show how to do those 4 chords. In the description is the sheet. So a D minor 7 is with that pointing finger in the 1st and 2nd one of the 1st position and push it really hard there. And the middle in the 2nd one of the, so the 2nd position of the 3rd string, G. So there we have the bottom 4 with the thumb or index, or you pick whatever you prefer. Bottom 4, down. And then you go to an A minor 7. So the index stays here in the 1st position in B. The only thing is the 1st one, the little E, is open right now. From that D minor 7 you open up. So the index is going in the 1st one of B, 1st position. So, and the middle is going 1 up in the 2nd position of D. D string, so the 4th string. Bottom 5, you hit the bottom 5 strings here, and then a C, and you can add a C by adding your ring in the 3rd position of the 5th string. It's a C chord, and a G is the pointing finger in the 5th string of 2nd position, middle in the 3rd position of the upper, the 6th string, and the pinky and ring in the 3rd, both in the 3rd position in the little E 1st and the 2nd one. That's a G chord. And those 4 chords are essential to have a little bit more dynamic in this song, more vibe. How to grab those chords very fast when you're a starter is there's one way to make a fist, and from that fist you grab the chord you find most difficult in those 4. So D minor 7, A minor 7, C or G. There is one in particular that you find the most annoying to grab. The most people say D minor 7 or G. So let's start on that D minor 7. You make that fist, and from that fist you grab as fast as you can the D minor 7. 1 time down, bottom 4. Don't look here. Only look there, just do it by feeling. Make a fist, do it again. 2 and 3 and 4. Make a set of like 12 times. Wait a little, do it another 12 times. That I call guitar fitness. And guitar fitness is a faster way to get chords in your system. So D minor, make fist, D minor, and if in a while, don't look here, don't look there, and make a fist and grab it by feeling and by hearing. All right, that's the like 3 months-ish version of Watermelon Sugar D-7, A-7, a C, and a G. And to spice that up, within a year, you can add a strumming pattern. Like the strumming pattern I showed you in the beginning of this video is like this. And that's basically what I do is down, up, slap, and a slap I will do it with the pick or like this on the strings, all the strings. Don't do the slap like this, because then the effect is less. So down, up, down, slap. So 2 slaps. So down, up, slap, down, slap. A-7, down, up, slap, down, slap. C, down, up, slap, down, slap, and G. Slap. And if you can do this, try to speed it up. C and G, and speed it up, speed it up, speed it up, and if this is okay and you feel comfortable with playing this, you can add an extra strumming pattern, like the instead of the last strumming down, what I just explained, instead of that you're doing up, up, down, up, slap. So up, up, down, up, slap. And that's in the beginning. So down, up, down. That will be down, up, down, up, tuck. So down, up, slap. And you're slapping ends with the underneath the first string. And then you do up, down, up, slap. And then you stop the slap by almost the upper, so the 6th string. Because the beginning is again from down. So A-7, down, up, down, up, and down, up, slap, and down, up, slap, up, down, up, slap, and down, up, slap. But this is practicing, because when you start in one day, you can't do this, unfortunately, because otherwise everybody can play guitar. But some people can play this by a couple of weeks, but those are the chosen ones, I say. But the majority is struggling this for almost a year. All right. After that, from those open chords, we go to closed chords. A D-7 like this, it's fine in the sheet, and then the A-7 like this. I will push that middle extra with that index, so I have a better volume on that bottom 3 chords, because I'm doing all the strings with the pointing finger here and the ring in the 7th one. That's a A-7. Then the C chord, because I have large fingers, instead of doing middle ring and pink, I do often like this, like the ring in a D, G, and B. So that's a C, and then a G, just a regular G major. And then the same strumming as I just explained earlier, like. And you can add some ghost strumming patterns, like. If you want that, it's just the pepper and salt will make this. Or some gaps between some strumming patterns, so it will become more groovy. And that's this song. I mean, Watermelon, funky, groovy song. So this is basically from 1 day till 10 years, and some people will become within 2 years they can play it like this. That's very good, but you're chosen. If you're not a chosen one, what the majority unfortunately is, you can subscribe here for more of these videos. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I see you in the next video. Bye!